Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the ownership of a Google Docs file. First, open the Google Docs document that you are the owner of. Then click the share button. You will see a list of everyone you have shared the document with. You can transfer ownership to one of these people, or you can email an invitation to someone new. Just type their email address into the text box and click send. Once you decided on the new owner, click the drop down arrow next to their name and select the transfer ownership. You will need to confirm your choice by clicking yes. That person will immediately become the owner of the document and your permission will change to editor unless the new owner change it to something else. Also, you will no longer be able to delete the document. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.